Electronics are huge for Michael. You know, he loves that sound. And I got a call saying that Skrillex, who is a big Transformers fan, he wants to come over to your studio. And I said, great.
This guy sounds cool, right? Starts to die down.
I'm a huge Skrillex fan because the guy makes sounds like I've never heard before. Kind of just moved into my studio for a week. We talked, we looked at scenes. He made sounds, kind of what he did. He made even some sound effects, you know, for the robots moving.